Okay, so you have a KitchenAid double oven range, and the Sabbath mode is on, and you cannot shut it off no matter what the hell you try to do. You push options, right? You're going through this menu. Eventually you get to Sabbath mode. Let's see where it is. Eventually you get to here. It says 1, it says press 1 to turn off. You push number 1, it still won't turn off, right? It goes back to saying Sabbath mode on up here. What you do is press these 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. The test will come on. You push it again. 1, 2, 3, and boom, everything is off. That's how you get out of Sabbath mode in a KitchenAid double oven range. Cooter Malloy, hit that like button down there below. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, which should be over here somewhere or down here. Catch you all in the next exciting video.